So video number 3, we're getting there, starting to put it back together. We still got a little more Tyvek to do. Obviously some Tyvek tape. Put the siding back on it, caulking, paint. We're gonna have to get underneath. We just noticed that it's rotten underneath too. But there'll be one last video of it after it's painted and everything. So again, this is video number 3.